Welcome to an exploration of artificial intelligence in the world of marketing. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool transforming how brands connect with their customers. Understanding its role is crucial for anyone interested in modern business. AI helps companies analyze vast amounts of data, automate tasks, and personalize customer experiences. It allows marketers to work smarter, not just harder, by providing insights and efficiencies. This technology is reshaping the entire marketing landscape. One of AI's most significant impacts is in personalization. Brands use AI to understand individual customer preferences and behaviors. This allows them to deliver highly relevant content and product recommendations. Think about your favorite streaming service or online store. AI algorithms analyze your past interactions to suggest movies, music, or products you might like. This creates a unique and engaging experience for every user. Personalized email campaigns are another example. AI can determine the best time to send an email and even tailor the subject line and content. This dramatically increases engagement and conversion rates for businesses. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer service. These tools can handle a high volume of inquiries quickly and efficiently. They provide instant support, answering common questions around the clock. This frees up human customer service agents to focus on more complex issues. AI ensures customers receive timely responses, improving satisfaction and building brand loyalty. It's a win-win for both companies and consumers. AI excels at processing and interpreting massive data sets that would overwhelm human analysts. It can identify patterns, trends, and correlations that are invisible to the naked eye. This provides deep insights into consumer behavior. Marketers use these insights to make informed decisions about product development, pricing, and promotional strategies. AI can predict future trends, helping brands stay ahead of the curve. It transforms raw data into actionable intelligence. AI is also assisting in the creation and optimization of marketing content. Tools can generate text for ad copy, social media posts, and even blog articles. This speeds up content production significantly. Beyond creation, AI helps optimize content for better performance. It can analyze which headlines perform best or which images resonate most with an audience. This ensures marketing messages are as effective as possible. AI-driven A/B testing allows brands to continuously refine their campaigns. It identifies the most impactful elements, leading to higher engagement and better campaign results. This iterative process is key to modern marketing success. Programmatic advertising, heavily reliant on AI, automates the buying and selling of ad space. AI algorithms determine the optimal ad placement and target audience in real time. This ensures ads reach the most relevant consumers. AI can segment audiences with incredible precision based on demographics, interests, and online behavior. This minimizes wasted ad spend and maximizes the return on investment for marketing campaigns. It makes advertising far more efficient. AI is not just a tool. It's a fundamental shift in how marketing operates. It empowers brands to be more responsive, personalized, and efficient. For students, understanding AI's role is essential for future careers in any industry. Embrace learning about these technologies, as they will define the next generation of marketing professionals. The brands that leverage AI effectively will be the ones that thrive in an increasingly competitive marketplace.